Welcome to Theme Park HD. We're bringing the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Ahoy, Bikini Bottom explorers! Today, we're bringing you a ride point of view of the bobbing barrels at Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas. Yeah, this probably looks like your typical spinner, but trust us, and trust me, as one who went on this first, this one's going to come with water cannons. You have a good chance of getting squirted in the face constantly. Oh, did I mention? Probably going to be soaked. But, at least honestly, on a hot summer Texas afternoon, this not only could be refreshing, the line could be a little long. It is interactive, it's chaotic, and it does get the family laughing. So, who's ready to get soaked? Let's go!
Welcome back, boaters. Please remain seated as your brand comes to a complete stop. Our tenant will be able to assist you to get out of the boat. Please watch your step and let your seatbelt signs. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day at Bikini Bottom.